All right, neutral, and then go ahead. You can stay with cat-cow or you get a little sassy. We're going into the Beyonce, little hip rolls. It feels so good. It's sassy, but it just feels incredible moving your body. We don't get down on the floor enough and just move. You know, when you're a kid, you're like always on the floor doing something. Like I always tell my kids, like, what are you doing? And they're like playing on the floor. And it's just those things that we just don't do. We sit, we are in the car all the time. So just moving your body feels so good. All right, release everything around. Really get funky with it. Open it up. Incorporate the breath. Inhale, exhale, drop back. Give me one more. I'm having fun with this. Go the other way. Explore the movement. Explore everything that's happening in your body and release, let go. Don't hold back. Just let everything feel good. Your body just wants to move. Yes, get it. Make it happen. One more. All right, neutralize everything.